Welcome to this product review. Now, we've reviewed one of these in the past. It's a GKU D1000, this one. We've reviewed the D900 and we were so impressed with it because it's a cracking bit of kit. Now, we've got a little dog down here and it's been awkward, so yeah, so it's we're reviewing the D1000. Like I said, we've done the D900 and we were impressed with it. Now the D1000 is another level. Now this will be available in this country very soon, I believe.
Very soon.
Hopefully we can get the links to it, and we'll. One second, guys. I'm going to get rid of the dog. Okay. So take two without the dog. Right, so this is the unit, the camera unit, so it will face forward like that, and underneath it's got the buttons, which is the on-off button to the left, then you've got the the menu button, the left, the right, and the OK button. Very simple to go into the menu. You press the menu button and you use your left and right arrow keys to select what you want, and then you've got your OK button to actually go into it, like I said, on-off button. So the front of the camera, 4K recording, and really impressive. On the top of the camera is your 64 gig memory card already inserted. To the right, I don't know if that's the rear camera, what fits into there, or the power cord, not sure. I'll put it below what it is.
Yeah, you'll know more, won't you?
Screen, large screen on it, very large screen, sectioned it into 3 sections. Can't really see because it's not turned on, but we will go to the car, fit it in the car, because we're going to fit this in our BMW, and we're going to keep this one. Like I said, we have reviewed the D900, which we've got and we're keeping, which is a fantastic bit of kit. So this screen, quite a big screen. I'll put the size below. Splits into 3. Half of it is for the front recording, and then you've got the other side, which is split into 2 parts, and that is for the rear camera and the internal camera, because it has got an internal camera which is infrared and records everything inside. So this plugs in straight into a cigarette lighter, so easy to fit. We have got a hardwiring kit for it, so we're going to hardwire it, because that means if it's parked up and somebody bumps into it, it'll record all around. So yes, it will be hardwired into the car, this one. GPS, got GPS on it, and it's got, do you know, it's got so many different things. In fact, let me read what it's actually got. Sorry. So yeah, it's 10K front camera, 1080p rear camera, and the interior camera is 1080 as well. GPS tracking. It's a 3-inch screen on it, and it's got 5 gig Wi-Fi app control. So like I say, you do need to download the app onto your phone, which is GKU Pro Go, I think it is, or Pro or Go. You'll know which one it is, and you download the app. Loop recording, you don't have to worry about it. It just records over and over again, and like I say, it's a cracking bit of kit. Right impressed. I can't wait to start using this.
Doesn't take much, does it?
No, it don't. So what else have we got in the box?
In the box.
So yeah, you get these, like, I don't know, screen, like little plastic screens, and basically they go on the windscreen. It stops static going from your unit to your windscreen.
Yeah, you wipe it with a damp cloth first, then you put that on.
Is that what you do? Yeah. So you've got to, like I said, put them on your front and rear. It stops that static, that's all. So they'll be going on. This is your mount for your camera. So that sticks to your windscreen, and then your camera just slides on. Just like that. Easy as that.
Not like that, just like that.
Yeah, so that's mounted. That'll be mounted onto the screen like that. Solid. solid. You know, it's not going to check about. A really good mount. GPS tracking, like we said, and that's all in that gubbin. So, there. Cable. Now that one of these cables is for your rear camera. So again, there's your rear camera, which will mount on your rear windscreen.
Well, that's for your rear, isn't it?
Oh yeah, and that's it. Quite a lengthy cable actually. Lengthy cable to go from your rear camera into your front unit there. So yes, what else do we get in the box? Good grief. So yeah, this is your it's plug into your 12 volt cigarette lighter. I think it's 5 volt this takes, so that reduces it from 12 volt to 5 volt. And it has, you know, if you're using this, it has actually got a USB on the top, so you can actually keep that, insert that into your cigarette lighter socket, and you've got your USB on top. Look, brilliant. And I'll plug it into that.
You've just got all your bits of sticky pads.
Yeah, so this is an orange thing. I'm not. It's for basically getting into your, you get into your cables basically and clipping them and unclipping your roof, like your ceiling to hide your cables and what have you. So it's a good solid hard, bit of plastic. So, and it mounts. It's for basically not mounts. What am I about? It's for getting it your plastic trim off and things like that.
It's your little tool.
Yeah, if you want a little tool.
A little tool.
What are you trying to say? In this bag, you've got your plastic clips. And they're, and you take them out of the packet. They are adhesive clips, and they're basically a cable tie, a tidy, should I say, a little cable
You
tidy.
don't get many of them, do you?
I get five of them, little cable tidies. So yes, and that's enables you to see that. And then you've got spare, obviously, 3M stickers. You've got a couple of 3M stickers, spare ones, in case you have to take it off for some reason or whatever. So you've got a couple spare of them.
There's also, you can get in touch with me if you struggle with anything.
That's right.
You've got email support, you've got a WhatsApp number, a website, and YouTube official site.
Well, we will be putting a link onto it, so hopefully, and they'll just follow the link. But I mean, so far, I'm looking forward to fitting this. So we'll take it and put it in the car, and we'll show you it actually working.
Woo! We'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Okay, so it's all fitted. Fitted well. Ignore this wire. I've just got it plugged into cigarette lighter just for the recording of this video. But I have hardwired it. That's going through the roof line and down the door pillar, down there and behind the dashboard, and that'll be hardwired later. But yeah, quite easy, once you take the rubbers off the doors, these seals, you can just tuck it behind this roof line and it just runs straight all the way down like. And then fuel panels on the back, on the tailgate, because we've got a BMW X4, and basically like it just slides into roof lining. I don't know if you'll be able to see the rear camera just at the top of the screen. We have got black, looks like limo tints on it, so it'll be interesting to see what that back camera's like. And if you can see, you can just about see it there at top of the screen. But yeah, and if any camera recording device in your car is an advantage. So yes, I'm impressed. If I had said it, I'm impressed already, which I know I have about a dozen times. GKU, thank you very much for sending this camera. It's going to be a pleasure to use this. So yeah, we're going to take it for a drive and see what it records like during the day and at night as well, and from the front camera and the rear. We'll show you all that footage. Right, so we're off for a drive, and just as that screen goes off, there we go. And this is footage, it's recording. I'll try not to get to my mic so it's on, like people pull out on you. And this.
Yep.
And it's recording. So
Pedal on your right.
Yeah. Totally. BMW drivers there. Look. But yeah, that's what's recording, and like I say, it's always handy to have. Always handy to have, because there's not many idiots on road, and they'll drive then. But yeah, so that's it actually in use, and we'll cut now to footage what it's actually recording on camera itself. I'll download it to, I'll show you how to download it, and I'll download it to me, trying to keep camera steady. I'll download it to my phone and show you guys what it's picking up, and then we'll do a night one as well. So basically, I just thought I'd show you this in relation to the nighttime footage we took out of the back window. As you can see, my back window on this is limo black, so it didn't do a bad job. You know, you could still see other vehicles. You could see, probably can't make out the number plates on them because of how black that back window is. But yeah, because the camera is actually there. But yeah, I'm sure you'll agree. It's a cracking bit of kit. So I'll put a link below. There's no discount code. I ain't got a discount code, but it's around £120, £130, something like that for this D1000, and it's cracking. It's a really good picture, easy to download, and oh, what more can you say? They're handy to have in, so handy to have in. So on that note, guys, we'll round it up here and this review, and we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you later. Ta-da.